Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if Valorant is not launching, not starting, or not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into it. So first is you need to locate your Valorant desktop icon on the desktop, make a right click and then select show more options. Then here you have to click on properties. Then you have here the Valorant properties, which has the general tab, shortcut tab, compatibility tab, and the digital signatures tab. Now you have to click on the compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option: disable full screen optimizations, check that; run this program as an administrator, check that; and run this program in compatibility mode 4, check that; and choose the latest version, which is Windows 8. Click on apply and then OK. And after that, you need to launch the Valorant game. Then from here, you just need to simply sign in with your account. So I will not just enter my credentials, but if in your case, because I will just show you on how you can launch the application. So from here, it's your turn to sign in and then continue or enjoy the Valorant game. Then for the next method is we need to check the VGC service. So in the Windows search bar right here, type services, best match, click on that. Now here in the services window, we need to scroll down to letter V and look for the VGC service. Now once you find that, just make a right click and then select properties. Now we have here the VGC properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, you have to click on start, and if this is already running, you have to click on stop. And then start it again to restart the service. Then click on apply and then OK. And then simply close this and then launch the Valorant game this time. Then we also need to try running the application as an administrator. So again, locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click and then select run as administrator. Now most of the time running the application as an administrator, this can let you open the game. So as you can see in my case, this has opened. So from here, it's your turn to sign in with your credentials. And again, I will just not enter mine because I'm just going to show you how you can launch the game. Then here, you can just simply enter your credentials and enjoy the game. Then we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated. So right click at the start button and then in the list of options, you have to click on device manager. Here in the device manager window, we need to locate the display adapters. Then here, click on this. Make a right click on your graphics card driver. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And we also need to update the window. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once this is done, close this. And I suggest that just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Valorant game. Then we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like McAfee, Avast, or Malwarebytes, then you can temporarily disable that. So just simply click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar, and you can find that from here. Now once you find that, you need to quit that and click on the Windows security icon. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings, Manage Settings. Then disable the real-time protection, and then you need to launch the Valorant game. And after it has been launched, you need to go back to the same Windows security icon and go back to this window and then turn it on from here. Then click on the show hidden icons and then you need to completely close the Riot client from here, select exit, and after that, launch the game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So in the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Appwiz.cpl, control panel item, click on that. Then here simply search for Valorant. Then click on it and then select uninstall. Click on done. Then we need to reinstall it again. So open any of your favorite browser. Then in the browser that you have or you're using, just simply type Valorant download, hit enter. Then here you'll find from the official website playvalorant.com, download the game Valorant, click on that. Then here you will find this button download, then the installer file will be downloaded right here. So let's just wait for this. Then simply click on this and then close the Edge browser. Then here just simply click on install. And from here, the application will simply launch and open for you. Then you just have to simply sign in with your credentials and then continue enjoying the game. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.